Good morning, students. Now we shall complete our chapter number systems. So in the previous module what we have learned is that basic introduction to numbers, decimal representation of rational numbers, that whether they are terminating or non-terminating, repeating, and converting decimals into P over Q form. Decimal numbers on the number line, and how to do so by using the method of successive magnification. Now let's see what is successive magnification, students. Here is a number line, okay, and you have to represent 2.145 on the number line. So how can you represent? Firstly make a number line 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now see, firstly take the first two digits. 2.1. 2.1 will lie between 2 and 3 obviously. Okay. So between these two numbers 2.145 will. Now let's make another number line for doing so. How? Let's see. See students, we have drawn 2 and 3. Okay, and the numbers lying between both of them, let's draw them. 2.1. Okay, we have drawn this. Now see, 2.14. Okay, let's take another two digits. 2.14. This will lie between, in this number line. Yes, between these two. Okay, 2.1 and 2.2. So let's make a number line having these two ends. Okay, 2.1, 2.11, okay, 2.12. Now see, we have drawn 2.11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. Now what we have to do, 2.14. Here is 2.14, but there is another digit 5. Okay, so see, 2.145 will lie between which of these two numbers? 2.14 and 2.15. Clear? So 2.14 and 2.15. Okay, between these two. So let's make another number line having these two ends. 2.14, 2.141, 2.142. Now let's see. We have drawn this number line. Now tell me, where is 2.145 here? You can easily locate it as here. Okay, hence we have shown it on the number line. And how we have to connect all these number lines? See, join this, okay, in this way by the dotted line. Okay, 2.1 with this and this. Hence it is a number line, and this method is known as successive magnification method. I hope it is clear to you that how we can represent terminating decimals on the number line by the method of successive magnification. Now let's learn how to represent non-terminating repeating decimals on the number line. See, 1.7 bar. Okay, we have to locate 1.7 bar on number line up to 2 decimal places, because you can see 1.7 bar means 1.77 and so on. Okay, up to 2 decimals we have to locate it, so we can easily locate it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now see, 1.7, where it will lie? Between 1 and 2. 1.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Now see, where is 1.7 here? Now 1.77, it will lie between these two. Okay, in this way we can draw it. Okay, on the number line. here is 1.7 and here is 1.8. So between these two you can easily find 1.77. Okay, 1.7172 and 1.78. Okay, here is 1.7. So we have found 1.7 bar correct up to 2 decimal places. So I hope it is clear to you that how to represent decimal numbers on the number line using the method of successive magnification. Now let's move further to different type of numbers. Now let's see about the irrational numbers. Now let's see about the different type of numbers, that is the irrational numbers. What are irrational? You can easily clear this by the name, the number which can't be written in P over Q form. Okay, the condition is that P and Q belongs to the group of rationals and Q is not equal to 0. The numbers which does not satisfy such situation are called as irrational. For example, root 2, cube root of 3, pi, etc. All these are the examples of irrationals. Okay, now let's find out why these are irrational. The proof of irrationality we will do in the next video. And I want to tell you that if there is root and under root any number which is not a perfect square, if such number is under the root, then that number is always irrational. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. And let's now move further how to represent irrationals on number line. Okay. So now let's see how to represent irrationals on number lines. Must note it, students, in this class we shall only learn about the numbers how to represent irrationals in the form of under root. Okay, square root form like root 2, root 3 minus root 5, okay, and root 7.9 in such form, and pi, cube root of 3, and such numbers we shall not do in this class. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now let's learn how to represent root 2 on the number line. Yes, so see how to represent root 2. Firstly, make a number line. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have made this number line. Now what you have to do is that the most important thing I am writing here, root 2, split it, and what you will get? Under root 1 plus 1. Clear? Because 1 plus 1 is 2. That means under root of 1 square plus 1 square. Clear, students? Under root 2 means under root of 1 square plus 1 square. That is 2. Now, suppose here is a triangle, right angle triangle, okay? Let's see. And this is 1, this is 1. What will be the hypotenuse? Tell me. The hypotenuse will be root of 1 square plus 1 square. That means hypotenuse will be root 2. Okay. So, if we make a right angle triangle on a number line, then that right angle triangle's hypotenuse is root 2. So let's learn how to do so. See, I know it's new to you, so might you can face some problems, but when you practice it much more and more, you will be having contact with it. Make a perpendicular. See, here is 1 unit distance. This is 1. Okay. Make a perpendicular on this. That means the angle of 90 degree. Okay. Of 1 units. Okay. ये भी 1 है और ये भी 1. Okay. Now join this 0 with this point. Done. Now you can clearly see it's a right angle triangle. And the base and perpendicular are 1, 1. So hypotenuse, what will be the length of hypotenuse? Root 2. So to represent this on the number line, what to do? We have to do some construction. Put the tip of compass on this 0 and take this hypotenuse as the radius and mark a cut here. Okay, make an arc. And this point which we have obtained, this will be root 2. Okay, so in this way we have obtained root 2 on the number line. For example, we have to obtain root 5 on number line. So what we shall do? Let's learn. See, to represent root 5 on the number line, firstly we have to make a number line. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see, for root 5 means under root 4 plus 1. Okay, under root 4 plus 1. That means under root 2 square plus 1 square. Okay, 4 को आप 2 का square लिख सकते हो, 1 को 1 का square. So what we have to do? Suppose it is a right angle triangle again, and the base is 2, perpendicular is 1. What will be the length of hypotenuse? That will be root 5. Okay, that means the square of 2, 4 plus square of 1. But we will get 5 and under root of 5. So to represent this on the number line, what we have to do? Take these 2 units as the base. Okay, make a perpendicular on this 2. Okay, 1 unit length. Now join these both. Okay, join these both, and what will be it? It will be the hypotenuse, and this hypotenuse will be root 5. So taking the tip of compass here, and this is the radius. Okay, make an arc which will cut it here, and this will be root 5. Okay, students. Now let's learn how to represent root 3. Okay, let's see that. Okay, to represent root 3 on the number line, what to do? Firstly, look here. Root 3 means, now what should be its factors? Under root 2 plus 1. Okay, see, 1 is the square of 1, but 2 is square of which number? Yes, 2 is the square of under root of 2. Okay, it means कि अगर हमें रूट 3 को नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? रूट 2 को बनाना पड़ेगा. रूट 2 बनाने के लिए क्या करोगे? Perpendicular, this is 1 and perpendicular is also 1. Okay, join it and here it is root 2. Okay, now we have to take root 2 as the base and 1 as the perpendicular as per the question in order to represent root 3. So this is root 2. Make a perpendicular of 1 unit length. Okay, and from here and here join this and mark it here. This is root 3. Okay, this point is root 3. Okay, so I hope you have been clear with this topic. Now let's move further deep. Yes, students, see the question. Represent root 2, root 3, root 4 and root 5 on a single number line. So in such type of question, what we have to do is firstly make a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we know how to make root 2. Okay, make a perpendicular on this 1 unit length. This is root 2. Okay, to make root 3, what we have to do? make a perpendicular, okay, join this and make an arc. It is root 3, okay, root 2 भी आ गया, root 3 भी आ गया. To make root 4, okay, देखो जब एक सिंगल नंबर लाइन वाला क्वेश्चन आता है ना, अगर आपसे सिर्फ पूछा जाता रूट 4 को रिप्रेजेंट करो, सो हम क्या करते, रूट 4 इक्वल्स टू 2, सो नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करते 0 1 2, ये आ जाता हमारा रूट 4. बट इसमें इसने अलग वे से पूछा, एक सिंगल नंबर लाइन पे चारों को रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो हम कुछ इस वे में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. रूट 3 को बेस लो एंड टेक 1 एज द परपेंडिकुलर, join this and make an arc here. On this 2, this is 2 equals to root 4. Okay. Now, to represent root 5, what we have to do? Make a perpendicular on this. Root 4, that is 2. Okay. Join from here and here. Equal to root. Okay. So, we have been clear with the topic how to represent these on the number line. Okay, I should zoom it.